How to share your NGL link on Snapchat. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can share your NGL link on Snapchat. So sharing an NGL not gonna lie link on Snapchat is a simple. So here's a quick tutorial. First of all, you have to download the NGL on your device. You have to go to your Play Store or Apple Store and search for the NGL here. Once you have searched for the NGL on your device, just go for the install option and install this on your device. Once the installation has been successfully completed, you have to just tap on the open option to open the NGL app. After opening the app, you have to follow the on-screen instruction to create your account. Just go for the get started and you have to confirm your age here. After that, just go for the continue option here and you can link your NGL with your Instagram, Twitter or Snapchat. So choose your platform here. After choosing your platform, you can also choose your username and just go for the continue option. Also, you can add your profile picture and go for the skip option too. So here you can see that you have been successfully logged into your account. So to share or copy your link here, just go for the copy link and your link has been copied. Just go for the OK option and launch your Snapchat. Once you have launched your Snapchat, you have to tap on the circle option to capture a picture. And after that, just go for the text option and paste that link here. So here you can see your Angel link. Also, you can go back and again open up your Angel link here. Just go for the share option and here you can see your Snapchat and just go for the next step and again tap on next step here and just go for the share on Snapchat. After that, you can go for the same too and you can send it to your friend. So here I am sending it to myself. After sending, here you can find the NGL link has been successfully sent on the Snapchat. So this is the process how you can share your NGL link on Snapchat. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.